Hello. In this video, we will see how to create transactions. So the first way is to add transactions manually. Click on Create Transaction. Select Customer Name from the drop-down. Then select Transaction. Select an operation. It can be add, multiply, subtract or divide. Enter transaction value and then enter a note. So for example, shopping reward. And then click on Create. In this way, you can manually add a transaction in your store. So when I click on the view icon and click on the view icon of a particular customer's name, here I can see that my transaction is created. Now the other way is to collect data from bot and then create a new customer or directly update transaction in the existing customer. So for that, click on the plus icon in the bot builder. Select appropriate trigger and then select channel and set your conditions. Next, I am adding few questions like asking the user the email, saving the response to email custom field. Then I am asking the transaction reason and then I'll save this response to a note custom field. After this, I am adding another question block to ask the user the amount and then I'll again save it under amount and then save the question. Now add another block, add automation app. Here search reward, select reward points. Here click on search customer. You will have to create a new authentication. So enter label, enter email and password for your store. This will be the same as the login credentials for your panel. And then click on add new authentication. Select authentication. Here in the search query, I will use WABA. So I am searching my customer using their WhatsApp number. So to run and save, first I am entering a number here. I'll click on run and save. Now here under responses, I can see I have total customers 1. Now I'll again change the query to WhatsApp number and then save. Now I'll add a basic router here. And in the first filter, I'll search new customers. So my condition will be total customers is 0. Now add automation app, reward points. Click on create new customer, select authentication. You can copy the store ID from here, paste it. We can simply map customer name and WABA number. Fill all the details here and then click on run and save. Again add automation app, reward points. Here select update customer transaction field. Select authentication. Map the customer ID. Select transaction field and operation. Here I will map the value as amount. And again note is saved in my custom field named as note. Click on run and save. In the rewards app, when you click on the view icon of a particular store, you can see here that a new customer is created. And when I click on the view icon here, we can see that a transaction is also created. Now we'll again add another string to the basic router. Here the filter will be old. So my condition here will be total customers is not 0. Save this filter. Again add automation app, reward points. Click on update customer transaction field. Here follow the same steps. Select authentication, map customer ID, select transaction field, operation, enter value and note. And then click on run and save. Thank you.